good, gang? We back with another video. If you see this outfit, you know it's my last video because I'm not wasting this space. Okay, this is perfect opportunity to throw something else in the mix. Y'all want content? I'm giving you content. Y'all want it? It's lit. By the title, this is a SHEIN clothing haul. I have one of these. I'm gonna say maybe a week and some change ago. I got them at the end of last week. But it took maybe a week and some change to get here. I don't see a lot of SHEIN reviews. I see like African Mall and stuff like that for little things, but I haven't really seen SHEIN. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it for my plus size shorties. You know what I'm saying? More to love, more to who? Love, okay? But I'm going to Miami in a few weeks. So I'm like mad excited how to get a couple fits because you know it's my birthday week. We turn a freaking break. It's lit. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Woo! First up is these cute plaid pants. If I back up, maybe you can see the ankles. See them ankles? It's cute. It's nice and high-waisted. It like fits really nice. This is like one of my favorite cups from the whole thing. I got this maybe for like $3 or something like that. One of these is on sale for $3. I got these really cute pants. Hold on, sis. Work it. Sis, I don't understand. But nah, y'all, I fucking love these pants. They are so cute. We just gonna put these on. Yep, so I like these. See, they're really high-waisted. These are a little slicker material. Bigger the legs. You see these a little longer. But these is really cute. Come on, ladies. This is a size. So everything I ordered for the most part for bottom was a 2XL because I wear size 16. What size that you should know? 16. But nah. So the picture on there made it look like it was supposed to be a mini skirt, but this a lot of fabric. So yeah, like I don't really like that. I'm trying to be sexy in Miami, and this too long. So let me see. Hold on, wait. 3, hope. Is it 3? The 1, okay. Alright, so if I roll it 3 times, I'm probably gonna sew it like this for real. Cause I want it to be like cute. And not like hello from going to church. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it like this. Maybe it's made with SHEIN. I like this. So this dress is cute. You know what I'm saying? And it make me look cute. But I think I'm gonna hem right here. Cause I don't know. It just baggy right here on the sides where I don't want it to be. So I'm gonna like hem this part. So this like slims in, you know? Just make it tighter here. Cause yeah. But it's cute though. What your name is? What your name is? It's LA. So this is the green one. I love this swimsuit. It looks real cute. Be over my butt, but you know, whatever. It's whatever. For this swimsuit, I didn't read like I was supposed to, so the pants part is cooler later because I didn't realize it was individual. So anywho, I got the top though. The top is mad cute, and like the bottom is in this little crisscross thing too, and they orange with the white stripe. So it's cute. It fit really nice. I bought some shoes. And these are the shoes, and they mad cute.
Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend this. So anything when you do,
Well, maybe that's a pretty pack. This is more of a purse.
plenty survive we face just to make your money day.
It's worth it in my opinion. I love all of the stuff that I got, even the stuff I have to alter, but 2 pieces out of all of this that I have to alter is not bad, so I can't really complain for real, like, there's nothing really to complain about because I got all my stuff and it fit right. So SHEIN, thank you. I appreciate you. I ain't sponsored by SHEIN, but if you need a plus size shorty for your magazine, you know what I'm saying? Natural brown skin girl with locks of love and a cute deep face. I don't even need your makeup artist. I can do myself if you want me to, but you know, whatever you need, I can. Hello, it's Liddy like a biddy with some big old titties, and I'm out.
I still want to know. Tell me, my nigga, what's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend.